Discover Quillbot, your ultimate writing assistant, now with powerful tools all in one place, and it's free. Meet the Paraphraser. Watch as it effortlessly transforms your text, ensuring your writing is fresh and unique. It's the secret to avoiding repetitive content. Struggling with grammar? Quillbot's Grammar Checker is your solution. It polishes your writing, ensuring clarity and correctness. Say goodbye to embarrassing mistakes. Introducing the Co-Writer. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or need a creative nudge, this tool is your collaborative partner in writing, fueling your creativity. Our Plagiarism Checker, a premium feature, is crucial. Protect yourself from unintentional plagiarism that could lead to Google penalties. It's an investment in your credibility. Overwhelmed by lengthy texts? The summarizer condenses information into digestible highlights, saving you time and keeping you informed with the essentials. Cross-language barriers with the Translator. Effortlessly translate your text into multiple languages, making your content universally accessible and globally relevant.